Once again, we're on Greenwood Lake, New Jersey, which straddles the New Jersey-New York border. Middle of the summer, another hot day in the 90s. Nice red-shouldered hawk wheeling above me right now. Being harassed by a few swallows, as a matter of fact. And we're going to see if we can find some muskies today. We'll look for whatever we can find. And it's not a popular time to fish this lake. Busy day, busy summer, but what do we care? We'll work it out and see if we can get lucky enough to find a fish. We're going to be spoon plugging, a very, very simple way of fishing. There might be better ways to catch more fish more quickly, but I need simplicity, and we're just going to check from the shallows to the middle depths down to the deep water over and over again on the features of this lake until we get lucky enough to stumble upon a fish or two. So I'll keep you posted. Here we go. Fish on. There we go. Smallmouth. Not too deep, maybe 15 feet or so. Took a little while, but maybe there'll be a school of fish there. We'll find out. I don't think it's too big, but a little fella. We'll check it out. Maybe there's a big girl there. Let's go find it. We've got the marker in. We know the spot. Didn't get anything on the cast, but back to the troll, we've got a fish. Again, not a big one, probably a little smallmouth, but deeper. Hasn't jumped yet. Could it be a walleye? Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's a little baby smallmouth. Let's reverse that pass and do it again. Let's get the strike hit. Oh, that's smallmouth. Another. There we go. Still nothing but small. Away she goes. Try it again. Oh, good fish. Finally, a good fish. Caught very little today. A lot of little smallmouth bass. This fish is a little heavier. Let's see what we have. Maybe it's a catfish. Pulling. Do we have a musky? Oh, it's a musky. Beautiful tiger musky. Beautiful fish. So it's not well hooked, folks. Not well hooked. Saying that. Not well hooked. It'll take some luck to land this one. Let's see. Running all over the place. Oh, that's a nice little fish. All right, let's get her back in. A quick measurement. A quick weighing. 41 inches. 18, 20 pounds. Okay, we're going to let her go. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, let's Make sure she's all right. 41, 42, 18 or 20 pounds. Good enough. There she goes. All right, that's spoon plugging. That's about as good as it gets. Let's try it again. Maybe there's a bigger mama here. We're going to probably call it a day. Troll on in. Fred, happy birthday. That last fish was for you. So 1 out of 2 muskies landed. A half dozen smallmouth. Nothing spectacular. No movement. No fish from a casting position. We checked those areas very thoroughly. Casting and trolling, shallow and deep. So that'll have to do. We'll troll on home. So Fred, I look forward to seeing you on your birthday or for your birthday fishing trip. Look forward to that. And we'll catch a bunch, I hope.